Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2009 Volvo XC70. It's all-wheel drive. It's a 3.2 six-cylinder. The color is ruby red metallic with beige leather interior. Really nice color combination. Body's in beautiful condition. Absolutely no rust. Headlights are nice and clear. Has recently new tires, as well as brand new front struts installed by the dealer. So those are factory original. Makes a big difference the way the vehicle rides. Has turn signals in the mirrors. Power seats, both sides. All the seats are heated. This has a 3-position memory on the driver's side. Power moonroof. Rain sensing windshield wipers. Real nice wood trim. It's real wood. Has automatic climate control. That's a great feature. Once you have it, you don't want to go without it. As I mentioned, it has rear heated seats. The seats will fold down flat. And even the headrests will fold down for better visibility. Really nice body condition, and it's a beautiful color. Lots of space, storage space, and even underneath. And it has the spare and the tools under this compartment. The power seat on this side. Here's a better look at the wood trim. These Volvo wagons have a great following. People seem to keep them forever, pass them down. And a lot of families, once they had Volvos, they seem to purchase another one. These are hard to find, and really hard to find in fantastic condition like this one. Thanks for your time, and give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.